Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing and trying on the MCM BAPE or a Bathing Ape collaboration for the 2024 Lunar New Year. This is the monogram shark hoodie in the color Cognac. Now MCM and BAPE have done a collaboration before. MCM and BAPE have done a prior collaboration and it was a great success, so I think that's why they redid it again this year for the Lunar New Year. Now, of course, most of these items are sold out given their limited edition availability, but I did leave a few links in the description below to some exclusive reselling sites, including StockX, where they'll actually certify each and every item for its authenticity. In this release, there were 5 bags, one of which we will be reviewing on the channel, so be sure to subscribe, as well as 2 hoodies. So this is the hoodie in the Cognac color, and it also came in a black color, which we will review as well, so be sure that you hit the notification button. Okay, so far you've seen the unboxing itself, and now we're gonna get into the actual product. You can see that Bathing Ape does not spare any expense with packaging and whatnot, and it really just feels like a very cohesive experience. You saw the thank you card, you saw the plastic bag that actually has their logo on it. I think those are all great touches. They also include this awesome wrapping paper or tissue paper as protective wear that protects all of those embroidery patches and things like that, which has their logo and whatnot. So again, just love all the details. All right, looking at the actual hoodie, this is such a cool hoodie. The material feels really substantial, like with all Bathing Ape products. The embroidery patches are, again, just really substantial and really secure. You definitely know that you're getting quality when you get Bathing Ape. And of course, the design is pretty unique, albeit it is a bit loud. Of course, we're taking a look at the hood itself, which is Bathing Ape's signature design. They're actually known for their hoodies that zip all the way up to the top with a few little eye patch openings so that you can see through it sometimes. You're also starting to see the Lunar New Year influence, where the Bathing Ape logo actually has a golden dragon embroidered around it. It's really cool. Again, the quality of this item just wasn't spared. Looking at the inside of the material, as I mentioned, this material just feels very substantial. It's not like some crazy felt or extremely soft experience inside, but it is, again, just that really substantial product that I think you're looking for when you're going for streetwear. You can see it's the same throughout the entire product, which honestly is just kind of refreshing given that it is such a busy product otherwise with the MCM repeated monogram, as well as those additional Bathing Ape features. Again, taking a look at all of these additional details, like the swing tags, like this Bathing Ape dragon swing tag is just so cool. And then inside this swing tag, we have another little Bathing Ape special. Now, this goodie in specific features the Bathing Ape slogan, which is "Ape shall never kill ape." And of course, it comes wrapped in, again, the signature Bathing Ape camo. Like overall, if you're looking to be hit over the head with Bathing Ape branding, this is your item. On the other side, we also have the MCM infusion. You have a 1-year limited warranty, as well as a bunch of different cards. I will admit that the black ones I cannot actually read because they are in a foreign language. So if you know what those say, do let us know. All right, enough of those cards. Let's go ahead and pop this on. And you'll see that we unboxed a 2XL, but we actually tried on the XL. Now, my original goal was actually to have my husband do this try on. However, he was traveling and I wanted to get this out as soon as possible, so you are making educated decisions while reviewing those relistings on the reselling sites like in the description below, linked to StockX or eBay or the like. Again, that is why I'm letting you know that I tried on the extra large. And as someone who's 5'4" and on the slimmer side, I felt like it wasn't overwhelmingly large. Of course, that oversized look is definitely trending right now, so that could be influencing this, but normally I would have gone for a small, but they sold out instantly. In any case, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this collaboration? Are you gonna try to cop it? Let me know your thoughts, and of course, be sure to subscribe and join the community. Thanks so much for watching.